experience. I love to travel and I had a experience of traveling big planning when I 20 years old. It swimming like a unique experience. I want to love be able to live this experience with my life on I would love for you slow live together as a family noves experience for the first time such as reading Balloon and Turkey, cruise the Caribbean, ride at the Camello in Egypt. I left best memory for the my son and that were are more that his parents. I dreamed that we are that a conditional support and that they continues to be kept passionate about have new experience I have deemed to take at banging I very seconds I this life because we are privileged to be able to live and enjoy so many beautiful things and life has.